Hello, this is Pramod Dudgundi from Ascent 360. I'm giving a quick overview on how to test the Ascent 360 app before submitting it for the review. Basically, Ascent 360 app is a customer data platform. There is another video where the business overview is provided and the use cases. But this is more of a technical details for the app review. So what we do on this app is once the app is installed on the client side, we connect to their store through the OAuth authentication. Once we get the credentials, we set up the integration on our side for the client and make the API calls. And those API calls stage the data what we pull from the store. With the nightly process, we process that data, do the address corrections, parsing of the data, and clean it up, and give a single view for the customer of the client collected from multiple sources. Any customer may have multiple sources of data. For example, the data may be collected from Bigcommerce as an e-com system, but also pulled from their on-premises POS system, or maybe email signups, or any number of systems. We pull all this data, collect it in a single customer data platform, and create a single view for the client. Once the CDP is built, this is how it looks. All the collected data will be summarized, and the summary will be showed with all the graphs and details. They can view these reports from the different aspects, like the top and bottom customers, the geography, where their customers are located mainly, and revenue details, and so on and so forth. The main feature of our application is the audience selector and campaign manager, where clients can segment the data, create different conditions. So for example, if we want to see the data from source type Bigcommerce, so again, if the customer have multiple sources, those will be visible in this list. As this is a test store we created for just for this demo purpose, it just have Bigcommerce. So if we say source type is Bigcommerce, so there are total of 29 contacts. Out of that, there are like 29 subscribe, 0 unsubscribe, and there are only 3 contacts who had subscribed for the postal contact. We can add more conditions, like if you want to see the transaction date, so it will be and, or we can just change the condition to and or are or not. And we can set the condition that, let's say, transactions from April 1st till today or something. So those conditions can be applied. So there are various different field library, like email behavior based on like when the first email is opened, gender, birthday, age range, and all. So we can just, let's say, drag gender and just say male and hit save. So those conditions can be added. Once this data is collected, we can simply just export this data to different sources. So we do provide omni-channel marketing, so it can be exported as as a direct mail file, as a phone list, a file export. If a client have a Facebook or Google, we can integrate with those, and those will be appearing in this list for export. So same audience what we had just segmented out, that can be exported to those different omni-channel marketing places. So those integrations can be done as well. So this is a quick overview. And while testing the app, if you have any questions, yeah, you can reach out to our support. Thank you.